Today I'm going to teach you guys how to actually make a video that takes that takes you to have to subscribe to the channel like in Last of the World. First, upload a video. Don't upload the video. This will be just a second. Make it untitled. I'm not gonna actually upload the video, so you won't really see this. Next, press the unlist button. Then you publish it, and then you wait until it's done. But I will be canceling this. And I'll be canceling this because this isn't the video. Then the next thing you do is you go to your customization. Don't really delete it, okay? Don't delete the video. I'm just deleting it because it's not. I don't want to give you guys something you don't want to see. Then you go to featured video for returning subscribers. I have to do this. I'll put it back up and then okay. So then you click on the untitled video you created. And then you press the publish button and then you're done. That's how you do it. It's just a simple step-by-step. Make a video. Okay. Just publish a video. Publish a video. Okay. Can I? First step. Upload a video. Second step. Make it untitled. Third step. Make it featured for returning subscribers. And that was the last step. Thanks for watching.